Hi, everybody. This is Dan Sheridan, Friday, October 18th, around lunchtime. And I want to talk to you today about the combo strategy. This is something I put on this week, but something that has worked well the last couple years. And for those of you who aren't familiar with it, we'll talk a little bit about it today. I've used this more on short-term trades, anywhere from 2 days out to 9 days. This particular combo was a 9 day. This is a live trade put on Wednesday of this week, 2 days ago. And it was a 9 day trade. And but I got it off today for near 10%. And we'll just show you this. So the combo is a interesting trade. How did I come up with the term combo? Well, I mean, really, how I thought of combo. I'm from Chicago, and Chicago has Portillo's hot dogs and Italian beefs, kind of a staple in Chicago. I would love the combo. And the combo is you'd get French bread, nice thing of French bread, and they would put a little bit of juice, odd juice on there. They put the Italian beef, then you put an Italian sausage on it, and then you would get, I would get hot peppers and sweet peppers. So I would say I'd like a combo, hot, sweet, juicy, and it was magnificent. Combo, but in the world of options, a combo is more, just means two, right? And it could be, and generally, and there's a lot of endless combinations you could do, but this particular combo, which is nice because it's kind of neutral vega. I don't have to worry that much about volatility. So when I put this on Wednesday of this week, we were at 58.40 in SPX, and this is a thinkorswim chart. The blue graph is at expiration. That would be next Friday, October 25th. The purple line is today. And so I put a butterfly on the upside. The short strike was 5,900. And this was a 30 wide butterfly. What does that mean? So I sold the 5,900. And again, remember, we were at 58.40. So this was a 9 day trade. I put my short strike of the butterfly about 60 points up. And this was a 30 wide butterfly. And I paid $3.90 debit, so 60 up. On the downside, I sold the 57. The short strike was 57.80. I did a calendar trade on the downside. And the distance between the long and short of the calendar was 3 points. So I sold the OCT, this is I did on Wednesday. I sold the OCT 25 puts at the 57.80 strike, bought the OCT 28 puts, 57.80, 3 point difference between the long and the short. I paid $3 for the calendar, $3.90 for the fly. So I had about 60 points up and down. And as I said, I paid $6.90. One of the nice things about this is it's, VIX is starting to come down today, but it's been parked at 20 the last couple of weeks, which is generally a little bit higher. But it's been staying up because, you might say 70 to 80% reason the election, 20, 25%, maybe we're still waiting for Israel's response, right? And people may vary on their opinion. Is it more election, more Israel? Is it all election? But I think there's, how do you not give a percentile to when you have Israel versus Iran? So this spread, which is nice for short-term trades, you get a ton of room, generally more than the expected move. And so if you look at this trade now, this is just 2 days later on a 9-day trade, you're up around $60, $70. And $60, $70 divided by, let's make it $65, divided by the cost, 690, that's like 9.4% in 2 days. And now, you're pretty much in the middle of the graph here, and you could stay in it if you want to take 10% in 2 days, never a problem with that. If you look 3 days into the future on Monday, usually by Friday at lunchtime, I'm running my date on Monday, looking at it. So if you look at OCT21 on Monday, that purple line, the T plus 0 curve, really goes up. And so, if I had 4 of these on, I'd probably take 2 for 10%, let the other 2 roll, because there's a good chance probably be up 20, 25% on this on Monday. And so this is a combo. And this is one of my favorite combos, a butterfly on the upside and a calendar on the downside. You get a ton of room on it. That's my much more than the expected move for the time that I'm going to be in the trade. So this was originally set up as a 9-day trade. I'm not going to stay in the, generally, we're going to stay in trades about 30% of the duration. So 3 days. And in this case, you got the 10% in about 2 days. So wanted to throw that at you. If you're interested in more of this, if you like it, it's Sheridan Risk Management. We do 2-3 hours of live content a day. It's recorded, usually doing live trades every day. And whether you're new or advanced, if you're advanced, you're getting more on the risk management end of it. If you're new, you're getting spoon-fed some trades, but you're getting taught. It's not just, this isn't like an alert service. This is teaching you the craft. If you're interested, send me an email, Dan@Sheridan Risk Management, and be happy to give you our monthly subscription. Is $194, and that's everything: classes, all the classes, all the on-demand classes, our trading group, but all the live content during the day. And we'd love to have you. You can just go to Sheridan Risk Management, click subscription. But this was the combo trade that we put on this week. I thought it'd be of interest to some of you. All right. Have a nice day, everybody. Thanks.